Yummies! How are we today? My name is Sydney.
And I'm Summer.
So how are we, my little
Chef.
chef? Yeah, she's calling herself a chef. So how are we today?
Good.
Good. What are we going to do? Summer, can you kindly explain to our fellow Yummies?
Anzac cookies?
What again? Louder, please.
Anzac cookies?
Yes, we're doing Anzac cookies, and for everyone who doesn't or isn't quite familiar with Anzac cookies, Anzac Day is actually a holiday here in Australia, which is every April 25th. So what does Anzac stand for, Summer?
Australian and New Zealand Army Corps.
Yeah, that's correct. So this was during the First World War, wherein we commemorate this day because there was so much casualties during that time. And in terms of how the Anzac cookie originated, it was because the wives and the mothers of the soldiers to give something to their husbands or to their sons to bring along, and that could last for months. And as you can see, there's no egg in the ingredient as we go through.
It could last for 2 months.
It could last for 2 months. All right, just because there's no egg. Yeah, there's no egg. Because of course during the time they needed something to eat. So that's a historical background for everyone. So moving on to our Anzac biscuit. I'm very excited. So Summer, what do we have? Can you tell everyone what we have?
We have coconut, oats, sugar, flour, and baking soda. Here we have butter and golden syrup.
Here you go. And our syrup. So we're just going to melt it. Alright, so now that I finished mixing the butter with the golden syrup, it's Summer's turn. Summer's going to mix all the dry ingredients. So, yep. While Summer is doing that, I'm just going to melt this butter and the syrup. I'll be back in a few minutes. Smells so good. Summer, can you smell that?
Yes.
Definitely very nice together with the coconut. I think I'm ready to make the cookie now. Yeah? Yeah. Let's go. So what I'm going to do next is just pour slowly the butter mixture into the dry stuff. Alright, so have a look. Alright. So now that the mixture is fully mixed, Summer, what time is it? It's time for us to mold it. Ice cream scooper is here to save the day.
Like
So-
we did last time.
Yeah, so Summer, it's Summer's job. So just be careful, guys, and a reminder because there's no egg in here, so you will kind of expect it to be a bit softer than your normal cookie dough. So Summer's going to show you a very, very cool trick on how the whole Anzac biscuit mixture will be intact. Alright, so Summer, push it. So remember again the steps: scoop it out, push it, scrape, and then the final step. Dunk it. Yeah, there you go. And now that settles us for the first tray, and this is how it should look like. After the baking part, and here we are, and someone is very, very much excited. Look at that face, huh? The cookie face. So, As you can see, here's the finished product of the Anzac Biscuits. Alright, so Summer, are you ready? Alright, good. Ladies first, of course. So what can you say about your creation?
Yummy.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
The flavors are just right with the coconut. You really can taste the coconut inside, which is really good. But here we are. So here we are with our Anzac biscuits, and we do hope that you'll give it a try. It's Anzac Day is over this weekend, so please hit the like, and we do ask you, please, as we are promoting our YouTube channel, please hit the like and the subscribe button, because, and of course share it to your family and friends. Without hitting the like and the subscribe, Summer would be very, very sad. We do hope you enjoy your Anzac cookies. Until the next time, bye!